All right. Most dogs love to chase cats, but when that cat grows into one of the world's best hunters in the world, it's best to make friends with it first. That's what Blakely, the Australian Shepherd, excels at. He currently has been called to help raise a baby cheetah at the Cincinnati Zoo. The cub was the only survivor in her litter born at the zoo. That's a problem because female cheetahs will stop producing milk when they don't have enough cubs. So while zoo staff tends to the cub's nutritional needs, Blakely is serving as a surrogate parent, teaching her social skills and good manners. He even came out of retirement to do it. Before leaving the zoo in 2017, he cared for foxes, wallabies, tigers, a warthog, and several other cheetahs. Once the cub is healthy enough to move out of the care center, zoo officials plan to let Blakely go back home and get the cub a puppy to grow up with. We could just keep this here the whole time.
Yes, I don't think I've ever seen a baby cheetah, but that is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, the lion cubs kind of compete too, though.
I think the cheetah beats the lion.
Yeah?
The baby lion.
I mean, you chose pandas over cheetahs, or lions. Pandas. All the animals of the jungle.
I want all the baby animals. Give them to me. Taking a final look at your forecast. We are seeing those clear blue skies outside, and that haze that we were seeing outside